Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at how to get started with the basics of NotebookLM. So when you come to notebooklm.google.com, you can also find it in your waffle now. It does exist there if you are logged into your school account. It'll take you to your homepage, and you're going to see here it'll look something like this. You can always change that from a grid to a list, or from most recent to alphabetical by title. Completely totally up to you. And right here, we'll get started by clicking Create New Notebook. And what's going to happen is this is going to pop up, and you're going to start adding sources. As you can see right here, your source limit is up to 300. It can be any combination of files you have on your computer, docs or slides from your drive. You can paste in a link to a website, a link to a specific YouTube video. So even though you're copying links, if you're going to do a YouTube video, you might think, okay, I can just paste it here with website. It will not work. It's anything website beyond YouTube. So for YouTube, make sure you click and paste in your YouTube link here, or you can just copy and paste a bunch of text. Some of the files that you could put from your computer are PDF, text files, Markdown, or audio files that you have in your that are loaded on your computer. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to just do a quick little one here I'm going to add some slides. And I'm actually going to use this slide deck that we are using in the session. And then it puts it right here. Now if you want to add more, simply click on the add button. And I could add, let's say for example, we'll go to docs. And I will pull a doc that I have in here. And you can keep on adding as many as you want. So now as you have all these documents there, NotebookLM is only going to be referencing these documents. It's not going to be referencing the entire internet. So if I ask questions, I can say, what is a best, we'll say, what is a way I can use, we'll say, Google Gemini. It's a question that could be addressed in either of these documents here. So it's just going to sit there and think. It's going to search through, and what it does, it gives you an answer to your question. And the little numbers you see here, these are links that will take you, you click on them, will take you right to the spot of any of these documents where it found the answer. So it's, then what it'll also do, it'll suggest other questions that you can ask, and you can continue to have a conversation with these documents. So again, the most common thing people will use is when you add your sources here. If you don't want it to reference in your conversation a certain source, you can uncheck it, and it will only reference the sources that are checked. Again, don't forget you have the links here to help you kind of see where the answers were found. You have your suggested follow-up questions, and you can save this to note. So when you click save the note, it's going to get saved over here in your studio. So when I click save the note, this conversation is now saved right here for you to reference it in the future.